It's winter time. I'm out in the shop. Can't ride my motorcycle, but I can work on my fishing boat. So today, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the 1025 right angle side gunnel mount for my downriggers. Now, it came in the box, and just spoiler alert, this is what it's going to look like when I'm done. Right there. I tried doing one just to see how it was going to look and see if I could do this thing. And I'm going to do that for you today. So when you get the kit, it comes like this. And let's just open it up and take a look and see what we got here. So in the box, what you got is we got this board, another piece here, and some constructions, and a couple of different kinds of assorted bolts and nuts and everything. Well, to be honest with you, I didn't do this probably the way you're supposed to. When you're finished though, what you end up with is just this board here fastened to the side of the boat. And that's kind of nice. What I was trying to do was eliminate the board. I had a board, there's the board over there. You can see it up against the wall. That was on here. And it made it hard. So it makes it hard to fish with this board across because you can't get to the front and the back of the boat. And so by putting this on, I'm going to be able to move back and forth on the boat. So let's just get right to it. So when you're looking at this plate here, this is the Scotty plate that goes on the side of the boat. You'll notice in the back it's got a couple of places for screws. This one here has got you put the nuts in the ones that are nut shaped, as you can see. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Okay, maybe not so lemon squeezy. There we go. So it's in there. What that does is that allows the when you put the thumb screws on, it allows you to thread them in. So that's all that is with that. All right. So the next thing we have to do is we have to drill some holes in the side of the boat. And if there's one thing I have difficulty with, it's drilling holes inside of my boat. But here we go. Let's do it on the side here. But we have to figure out where the side is. So what we're going to do is we take the block and we want to figure out how far down we want this thing in, because you want it to be sitting on this side edge. So I think I want my block right about there. And you can see that's kind of how I want it when it's all done. So in order to do that, we don't do that. We get these thumb screws and let's just see how this looks. So we'll put the thumb screws on, because we got to figure out where our height is and where we want it. There we go. Basically, I want it right there. That's where I want it to be. So that when I'm done, so now I kind of know where it's going. take it apart. We can screw it on. We want this to go right there. And right there. That's where we want it. So, let's make some marks, drill some holes, and get this thing done. All right, so let's do this thing. So the middle holes, they're the ones that have the screws in them. Okay. Nothing left but the crying now. We're going to use the right size screwdriver and we're going to just tighten this sucker down. You can hear it biting into that fiberglass. Got to find me a couple more stainless steel screws.